The owner of the Optician does it secretly. Dirt and scratches disappear. You're about to save yourself a ton of money. With this simple trick, you'll never need to buy fancy lens cleaners or scratch removers again. Plus, everything you need is already in your home. Liquid soap became popular in the 19th century for its gentle yet effective cleaning properties, and opticians often use similar formulas to clean lenses and frames. All right, grab some regular liquid soap, nothing fancy required, and squeeze out a bit. Next, get your toothpaste. Any kind will do. Did you know that toothpaste, the key ingredient in this hack, has been used for cleaning and polishing since ancient Egypt? They used a rough version made from crushed rocks. In modern times, toothpaste's mild abrasives help remove grime and polish delicate surfaces like glass lenses without causing damage. Mix them together in a 1:1 ratio. You don't need a lot, just enough to coat your glasses. Now, take a cotton swab and gently apply this magical concoction to the lenses, focusing on the areas with scratches or grime. Make sure it's spread evenly. It's that easy. Let me know, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments, and I might give you a shout out in my next video. Huge shout out to Lee from Alaska for tuning in last time. After you've applied it, leave it on for about 10 minutes. This gives the soap and toothpaste time to work their magic. Once the time's up, grab a microfiber cloth and gently wipe your lenses in circular motions. We've all dealt with scratched, dirty glasses that make it impossible to see clearly. And don't get me started on fogging, especially when you walk into a warm room from the cold. With this trick, not only will those small scratches disappear, but your glasses will stay crystal clear, even when you go from cold to warm. If you love this trick and want to know the benefits of adding lemon to the Vaseline, don't go anywhere. Click right here to watch. You won't want to miss it.